Hey people, well I decided since we visited the Yellow Blade Sears, which I've always wanted, I thought we'd pay a revisit to this one. This is the later 1980s brown bladed Sears that I have. I don't remember when I got this, but I probably had it for a year now, maybe. But even if I got this, even if I got the yellow bladed one before this, I still would have wanted to get one of these ones with the brown blades. This one is from like 1983 to 84. Though the sticker kind of covers the date stamped on there, I was barely able to make it out from the inside. And just like the yellow bladed one, which I have sitting over there for the time being, this one also has the original box. Just showing y'all that I have it. And y'all have already seen it in the last video I did of it, so no need to go into further details about it. Yeah, this fan is a model 8121. And I think we'll turn it on its back, see if there's a catalog number. Yeah. Maybe I should. I can't focus real well, but on the sticker it says the model 453.812100. There's an extra 0, much like the yellow bladed Sears. Yeah, just like the other one's got the 3-speed with thermo control. Cat wanted me to play with him. As you can see, it's this cabinet's this like this ivory color, as is the penthouse. The other side. Just like the other one, this fan is practically mint. Here's the back and the plastic housed motor. This style of motor shell they started using in late 1981. Probably went till they quit making these types of motors. Probably in '89. And flip it back around. And I give an operation. Here's high. I think the audibility of the motor one on this was probably about the same as on my yellow ones. It's medium. low. Demo the thermostat, show you that works. Yeah, I think this one's knob's probably on wrong, I don't know, but it cuts off about here. Cut the thermostat back on. Back to high. And as always, OFF spells off. And it's got a good long coast down time, as you can see. And on the control, and on the plate being loose in the center, the yellow bladed Sears seems to be the same way too. Maybe they were all like that. I mean, all these Lasko penthouse models. So here you go. That's the revisit of the 1983 to 84 Sears by Lasko model 8121, or catalog number 453.812100. So, thank you for watching.